Welcome student in Christchurch Convent Digital Classes, subject chemistry, class 11, part 3, chapter 3. In this video we'll see modern periodic law and the present form of the periodic table. We must have in mind that when Mendeleev developed his periodic table, chemists knew nothing about the internal structure of atom. But at the beginning of the 20th century, we witnessed or profound the development of theories about subatomic particle in 1913. In the year 1913, the English physicist Henry Moseley observed some regularities and in the characteristic of X-ray spectra of the element. A plot of under root v, where v is the frequency of the X-ray emitted against atomic number z, gave a straight line and not the plot of frequency under root nu versus atomic mass. So he thereby showed that atomic number is more fundamental properties of an element than its atomic mass. So Mendeleev periodic law was therefore accordingly modified, and this is known as modern periodic law, and can be stated as the physical and the chemical properties of the element are the function of their atomic numbers. The periodic law revealed important analogies among the 94 naturally occurring elements, including neptunium, plutonium, actinium, and protactinium, are also found in pitchblende and ore of uranium. So pitchblende is a ore of uranium. It stimulated renewed interest in inorganic chemistry and had carried out into the present with the creation of artificially produced short-lived element in the lab. And you also know that the atomic number is equal to the nuclear charge, that is number of proton or the number of electron in a neutral atom. So it is then easily to visualize the significance of quantum number and the electronic configuration in periodicity of element. So since the nuclear charge is equal to the number of proton or electron, so the electronic configuration and the quantum number can be easily utilized in periodicity or the configuration in the elements. In fact, it is now recognized that the periodic law is essentially the consequence of the periodic variation in electronic configuration, which indeed determine the physical and the chemical properties of the element and their compound also. Now, numerous forms of periodic table have been devised from time to time. Some forms emphasize chemical reaction and valency, whereas others stress on the electronic configuration of element. So a modern version, the so-called long form of the periodic table of elements, is the most convenient and widely used. The horizontal rows, which called Mendeleev series, are called periods, and the vertical columns are called groups. We'll see in the periodic table as well. So elements having similar outer electronic configuration in their atoms are arranged in vertical columns, referred to as group or families, according to the recommendation of the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is in short IUPAC. So what is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. The groups are numbered from 1 to 18 in the vertical column, replacing the older notation from the Mendeleev periodic table, group 1A, 2A, 1B, like this. There are altogether 7 periods. The period number corresponds to the highest principal quantum number, that is n, or you can also call cell number, of the element in the period. The first period contains only 2 elements. The subsequent period consists of 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32 elements respectively. The 7th period is incomplete, and like the 6th period would have a theoretically maximum on the basis of the quantum numbers of 32 elements. In this form of the periodic table, 14 elements of both 6th and 7th period, that is lanthanoid and actinoid respectively, are placed separate panels at the bottom of the modern periodic table. Now, in the modern periodic table, the nomenclature of the element with atomic number more than 100. The naming of the new element had been traditionally the privilege of the discoverer. नए एलिमेंट का जो नाम है उसके खोजकर्ता के नाम के आधार पर रखा जाता है ताकि उनको प्रिविलेज मिले, उनका नाम फेमस हो. And suggested name was ratified by the IUPAC, and in recent years this has led some controversy. So the new element with very high atomic number are so unstable that only minute quantities or sometimes only a few atoms of the are obtained. Their synthesis and characterization therefore require highly sophisticated, costly equipment and laboratory. Such work is carried out with competitive spirit only in some laboratories on the world. Scientists, before collecting the reliable data on the new element, at times get tempted to claim for its discovery. For example, both American and Soviet scientists claimed credit for discovering the element whose atomic number is 104. The Americans named it Rutherfordium, whereas Soviet named it Kurchatovium. To avoid such problems, the IUPAC had made recommendation that until a new element discovery is proved and its name is officially recognized, a systematic nomenclature be derived directly from the atomic number of the element using the numerical roots for 0 and the number 1 to 9. So table 3.4 contains the roots are put together in order of the digit. So for digit 0, name is nil, for 1 un, for 2 bi, for 3 tri, for 4 quad, 5 for pent, 6 for hex, 7 for sept, 8 for oct, and 9 for n. So abbreviation is used as NUNB. For example, 102 is called UNB. 110 is called UN. So you can also see in the table 3.5 name according to the IUPAC nomenclature of atomic number more than 100 and its symbol, and IUPAC official name and IUPAC symbol also are given to you. So please go through this table and table 3.4 also, and before going to those two tables, you should also go through figure 3.2, which is called long form of the periodic table of the element with their atomic number and ground state outer electronic configuration are also given to you. These electronic configuration are written on the basis of N plus L rule, Abbaugh rule, Pauli's rule and Hund rule. These groups are numbered from 1 to 18 in according with the 1984 IUPAC recommendation. This notation replaces the old numbering scheme, and nowadays this modern periodic table is used for reference. So you can see the modern periodic table. It has 18 columns, so you can see the numbering upward the column from left to right: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So right on top from left to right you can see the numbering of group, and from left to right if you see the rows, in first row there are only two elements, hydrogen and helium. But in this modern periodic table, since hydrogen is a non-metal, so it is placed separately, but its electronic structure is belong to similar to group 1 member and also group 17 member. So इसलिए हाइड्रोजन को आवारा तत्व भी बोलते हैं, क्योंकि उसका कोई फिक्स प्लेस नहीं है पीरियोडिक टेबल में. कुछ उसको ग्रुप 1 में रखते हैं, कुछ उसको ग्रुप 17 में रखते हैं. So you can see the modern periodic table. In first group, लीना की रब से फरियाद, lithium, nitrogen, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second group in short you can remember like this: बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप रोए, उसका फुल फॉर्म है बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम, रेडियम. And from atomic number 21 to 30 you can remember in this way: SC means science, TI means teacher, V means Vandana, CR means Kriplani, Mn manganese means Man, Fe means ferrous iron, Feco CO means cobalt, C कैपिटल है, O छोटा है स्मॉल है तो कोबाल्ट, और C बड़ा है और O भी बड़ा है तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड बोलेंगे उसको. निकेल Ni 28, 1 फेकोनी, कौन जाने, CuZn, Cu means copper, Zn means zinc 29 30. So in this way you can remember from 21 to 30. And for group 13 you can remember like this: भिंडी, आलू, गोभी, इंठेला, that is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. And for group 14 you can remember in short: काशी गए संत प्रभु, carbon, silicon, germanium, stannous tin and Pb lead. For group 15 you can remember नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब भिखारी और नाना पापा आंटी सब बीमार. Group 15. And for group 16 उससे टीपो, O means oxygen, S means sulfur, Se means selenium, T means tellurium and Po means polonium. And for group 17 you can remember फिर कल बाहर आया ऑटो, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन, एस्टेटिन. And for group 18 you can remember हेना ने आर करके 0 रन means helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. And there are two different series: lanthanoids and actinoids. Lanthanoid starts from 58 and end up to 71, and similarly actinoids, these are called inner transition element also, or F block element, and actinoid starts from 90 to 103. So group 1 and group 2 are also called representative element, or and group 13 to 18 also. Group 1 and group 2 forms S block of the periodic table. Group 13 to 18 forms P block of the periodic table, and from group 3 to group 12 forms D block or transition element of the table. and lanthanoid actinoid forms inner transition element. So try to remember this periodic table if you want to learn chemistry well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.